When making a large capital purchase, it's important to recognize and understand key differences among the products available on the market. This is especially true when buying a truck scale because one size does not fit all. There are 5 key areas to consider when evaluating truck scales: technology, design, maintenance, weighing processes, and regulations. Number 1. Consider the technology. The scale industry has been slow to adopt and integrate new technology. b-tek True Digital leverages Nexia, an easy-to-use cloud-based monitoring platform, to access scale data from anywhere, anytime. It provides full insight into the scale's performance, so the end user and service provider get the information needed to most effectively and efficiently service the scale. Number 2. Consider the design. The way a truck scale is designed will impact its longevity, so you need to make sure it is built tough. b-tek builds its scales with the thickest steel plate and beams in the industry. The steel is sealed with a unique paint to ensure scale longevity through the harsh wear and tear of truck weighing applications. b-tek also utilizes high-end electronics, including stainless steel components with hermetically sealed load cells and poly-coated stainless steel sheath cables, to prevent moisture and rodent damage. Number 3. Consider the maintenance. Maintenance should be considered when purchasing a truck scale because downtime can cause major bottlenecks in your operations. b-tek has the lowest load cell failure rate in the industry. The rocker column load cells pivot during use by design, to free itself of any possible debris as the load cell moves. The b-tek weighbridge design provides easy access to areas under the scale. The large panel top access design allows for the scale to be serviced from the top rather than underneath. Number 4. Consider the weighing process. To find a scale solution that truly fits, you need to make sure to evaluate the weighing process by looking at things like location the scale will be used, future equipment, or computer software. b-tek has vast experience in the weighing industry, along with a nationwide network of hand-selected professional scale service providers. These professionals can assist with laying out the site for entry and exit, while also working with you to select proper peripherals. b-tek can help you to improve the weighing process by evaluating custom software to fit specific needs. Number 5. Consider the regulations. There are specific regulations for operating a scale to ensure it is continuously up to code and certified for use. b-tek and its network of certified distributors like Central Carolina Scale have experience placing scales in just about every industry and can offer guidance to meet the regulations of an end user's local weights and measures department. Contact the heavy capacity sales team at Central Carolina Scale to discuss the lineup of quality b-tek truck scales. Call 919-776-7737 or complete the request a quote form on our website, centralcarolinascale.com.